Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English Improve practice. Today, you will read an inspiring story about self-confidence, courage, and never giving up on your dreams. Read along with me, sentence by sentence, and improve your English reading, pronunciation, vocabulary, and fluency. Let's begin. Ryan was a quiet young boy who lived in a small town. He dreamed of becoming a successful artist, but he never believed he was good enough. Whenever he looked at other people's paintings, he felt discouraged. He thought everyone else was more talented than he was. At school, Ryan enjoyed drawing during his free time. His teachers noticed his creativity, but Ryan always doubted himself. He often compared his work with others and focused only on his mistakes. Because of this, he rarely showed his drawings to anyone. One day, his art teacher asked the students to join a drawing competition. Ryan wanted to participate, but fear stopped him. He was afraid that people would laugh at his work. He almost decided not to enter the competition. After class, the teacher spoke to Ryan. She smiled kindly and said, "You don't have to be perfect. You only have to believe in yourself and keep improving." Those simple words stayed in Ryan's mind. He decided to give himself one chance. Every evening, Ryan practiced drawing for 1 hour. He watched tutorials, learned new techniques, and accepted his mistakes as part of learning. Slowly, his drawings became better. More importantly, his confidence started to grow. A few weeks later, the competition day arrived. Ryan felt nervous, but he remembered his teacher's advice. He took a deep breath and completed his artwork with patience and care. When the results were announced, Ryan did not win first prize. However, he received a special award for creativity and determination. The judges praised his unique ideas and encouraged him to continue practicing. Ryan realized that success is not only about winning. Success is about learning, improving, and never giving up. He understood that every expert was once a beginner who made many mistakes. From that day forward, Ryan stopped comparing himself to others. Instead, he focused on becoming a better version of himself. He practiced every day, stayed positive, and believed that small progress would lead to great success. Years later, Ryan became a professional artist. His paintings inspired thousands of people around the world. Whenever someone asked him the secret of his success, he always smiled and said, "Everything changed when I started believing in myself." Believe in yourself even when others do not. Every small step brings you closer to your goals. Keep practicing English every day, stay confident, and never stop learning. Thank you so much for reading with me. See you in the next English reading practice. Have a wonderful day.